So if you want to deal with the sexual issue, which is what the client is presenting with, yes, there are some practical steps around kind of coaching and technique and stuff like that you can do. But if that's really a kind of band-aid in a way, if you really want to address the issue at a deeper level, you have to go back to those roots of the issue and look at those different developmental or event trauma things that have happened. And when you do that and you do it in an embodied way, that's what I found really creates lasting change. Because it's my belief that when you're working with the mind, the feelings, and the body simultaneously, all three together, that's when you have a really rapid transformation. And I think that's when you have, positive neural growth, which creates behavioral change. Because one of the downsides of working just with the mind is that people don't understand the roots of their issues. But unless they have a felt experience of changing it through embodiment, it's probably nothing more than useful, interesting information. It doesn't actually change behavior. So ultimately, behavioral change is what I'm interested in supporting for the client.
Yes. Yeah.
And that comes through embodiment as far as I'm concerned.
So it sounds like quickly you discovered that really the dysregulated nervous system from childhood ruptures could be threaded all the way up to our adult intimacy challenges, and really addressing the roots of them kind of is not only addressing the root of the issue, but also I don't know how to say this in words, but it's almost like restoring or repairing the foundation of a building. It's like everything that lies on top of it starts to align and make sense.
Yeah, absolutely. It's putting the foundations in is a really nice way to describe it. It's also coming back to a kind of innocence and purity, an essence quality of our deep being. That gets, of course, fragmented, or it gets distorted through various ruptures that we have as we go through life. And it's really bringing us back to that essential quality of our beingness. When I'm thinking about working with clients, I feel like the journey is to bring them home to themselves. And that coming home to yourself is coming home into your body.